What are you eating?
Juice.
Popsicle? Is it good? You're almost done with yours.
I'm not.
I know, you're over there savoring it, huh? Making it last for a while. Not little Zilla, he's just chomping down. No? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Is it red now? It's magic, it changes colors, huh?
Yeah.
So Zilla, what are you about to do?
Try Daisy.
You're gonna take Daisy for a ride?
Yeah.
How long do you think this is gonna last?
Not very long.
Well, Zilla, sit down so Bubba can go.
Yeah, I'm going down.
Okay, go. What with it?
And she's out. You didn't like that, Daisy?
It's like riding in a truck. I thought she'd like it. Like dogs like riding in the back of a truck.
No, she didn't like it.
Look at your brother.
Ran him into a tree.
Little Noah. Watching hummingbirds up close is a lot like fishing. It's a lot of being patient and sitting still. There's just no beer with me right now, because otherwise there should be beer as well if you're fishing. They're very territorial. They seem to, they don't like to share, and once they find something that they think is theirs, it's theirs. Look at the hot wife getting ready to do some cooking. You excited, honey? Yeah, gluten-free tips fixing to happen, going down with that Jack Daniel's sauce.
No, that's not in my recipe, honey.
Oh, it's not?
No.
How about bacon?
No.
Is there bacon?
No.
There's no bacon?
Might be good in it. You can put bacon in anything now.
There's no bacon?
Are you gonna be able to eat it, honey, without bacon?
I guess I'm gonna just have to force myself to eat whatever it is that she's cooking. What are you guys doing in here while we're cooking?
Watching Curious George Part 2.
Curious George Part 2?
Yeah.
You wanna see that movie?
That's Bucky.
It's a monkey?
That's really Daddy.
Alright, well y'all have fun. Alright, so we'll get back to them after a while after we do this cooking. Here's a little preview, guys. You ready? 1, 2, 3. There it was.
Know what it is?
Well, obviously you know what it is because you've already gone over to the channel and checked it out. Because it's already up with this video you're watching right now. Just go over to Gluten-Free Tips, guys. You know, youtube.com/glutenfree tips, or you can follow her on Twitter at glutenfreezilla. Send her lots of love over there.
Please.
Because nobody ever talks to her on Twitter. Nobody tweets her besides me.
I love this stuff.
What do you love?
I love this food.
The food is just one of your favorite meals?
Yes.
Yeah. And mommy cooked it for her gluten-free tips channel.
Aw, man.
You can't have any, it's for them.
Yes.
You're not supposed to share that recipe?
Do you like this food? Huh? Yeah?
You like.
Really? You want? Hey, you want to vlog?
Yes.
Hey, be careful, don't drop
Boys, we eat.
it. Here, now do it. Here, now say it. You gotta hold it like that and look right inside there and tell them.
Bye. Eat. Bye.
That's right. Those are abs of steel you're hitting, kid. Oh yeah. You're gonna hurt yourself before you hurt me.
We're not having that.
Yep, that's right. Ouch. Ow. Ow. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. This is an every night thing, huh? Having to get on the trampoline?
Yeah.
We should just sell this trampoline. I don't even think you like it.
Yes, I do.
We'll just get rid of it. Any of you guys want to buy a trampoline? Because nobody uses it around here.
And oh, spells no.
Dayzilla stole my glasses, guys.
Holy moly, they look amazing in my eye.
Amazing in your eyes?
Here you go. Let's try them on.
Can I have my sunglasses back, guys? Thank you for being nice and let me have them back, guys. You guys rock. One more trait for you guys. He knows that this one's going to make you laugh and going to put a smile on your face. I promise you. At least he promises you.
Ew!
There you have it, guys. A self-wet Willy.
And RJ coming to spend the night on Friday with me and
Who's RJ?
my best buddy.
Oh, your best buddy's going to spend the night?
And that's all we have for today. Good night. See y'all tomorrow.